Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Tonight we just finished dinner and I'm packing up the leftovers, but I wanted to tell you about my house special sweet potatoes that I make for my family. As you can see, there's not many left. I did 2 full pans of sweet potatoes. I did a full 3-pound bag. And the way that I make these, and everybody in my family just eats them up, is I take fresh raw sweet potatoes, I scrub them really good, I leave the skins on, I don't peel them because there's a lot of nutrition in the skins. I cut them into these little coin-sized shapes, see? They're like little coins, not too thin, not too thick. And I put them on a tray with, as you can see, parchment paper, makes it a little bit easier to clean up. And I sprinkle them, today I did avocado oil, so I will either use avocado or olive oil, extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil. And we're a mostly salt-free household because of my heart conditions. So I don't put any seasoning on them, and I just put them in a 425-degree oven, and I roast them for about 30-35 minutes. And I go in and I'll flip them about halfway through. And then at the very end, this dark stuff that you see all over them is a balsamic reduction glaze. I use the Star brand, that's what I prefer, but you can use any brand that you love. And I put that on in the last 5 minutes or so, 5-10 minutes. And I throw them back in the oven. When they're perfectly cooked, I add the glaze. I throw them back in the oven, shut the oven off, and I let them finish, and they are delicious. Try them today.